What's up, fam? Today we're going to be opening another Smiling Critters bag. I remember us having two Smiling Critters bags because we've gotten a Bubba Fit and a Piggy. We don't know about the others. Imagine if we get a mystery though. That would be epic. So let's open it up. Ooh! Wait.
Is that Dog Day?
Yep.
Oh man, Dog Day himself?
Mhm.
Can't see it, we're outside. Alright.
I thought it was gonna be like that Secret Dog Day. Imagine. Guy. Feel. Wait. Just gotta see this guy.
Take you long to open that up. Sorry, he's not having.
Okay.
Sorry.
This guy is pretty cool. Okay, so this is Dog Day. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.